Satsuma has been in this pot for 10 years just like this. So it's time for a repot. So I'm gonna try different method this time. Unlike the kefir lime, which I spend like hours trying to pull it out of the pot, this time I'm just gonna leave it the way it is in here. And then I'm gonna try something else different to see if there's issues with the roots here. So I'm gonna basically remove this pot and then it's gonna start scraping off the soil. Okay, so I'm just gonna start scraping it off. Shave it a little bit because it basically circling around the pot, so we wanted the roots to stick out. Go straight horizontally instead of circling it. So basically I want to find the root color and I want to see if there's any, roots that's strangling. If there's any issues with the roots. So basically when I planted this tree, I just cut the bottom of the pot and just left it on top of this pot. Here we got some garlics. I love planting garlics in a pot next to the tree. So what I'll do is I'm gonna have to water it a little bit so I can see. All right, I did some excavations around the roots here, and you can see this one here. I need to cut that off. I'll probably do this later. Roots here. So I haven't figured out which one I want to trim, whether this one, or this one. They're crisscrossing each other. So basically as it gets bigger, it's gonna put pressure on each other, which basically is not really good for the tree. So right now, I am gonna see this one here that grew like this. It's gonna put a pressure on the root color later on. So I'm gonna basically remove this guy here. So I'm gonna remove him first. All right. And that one seems to be going in that direction, and let me do some more excavation here. So since I did quite a few of root trimming here, disturbance on the roots, I'm gonna basically leave this in a pot for this year, and then I'll wait until maybe until November, December to do major repots. So for now, I'm just gonna, fill up the soil and then leave it. Okay, so that's what it looks like. I'm using this extra plastic pot that I have lying around, and I just use it to protect the extra soil from touching the root color. So this way, it's the root color is dry, and I'll let the tree recover until the end of this year. I'll repot it into a plastic pot.